Hello folks, hope you're having a good day. I have an interesting item to share with you today. My wife just inspired me to take this video. These are scallions. You buy them in the store and they have a root ball at the bottom. You can stick them in a cup to get the roots to grow a little bit longer, and then you can stick them in the ground. Now these are out in full sun and they've been getting a lot of water the last couple of weeks, so they've been producing lots of scallion shoots. And my wife just came out here and harvested some because she wants to use them in whatever it is she's cooking. So that's a good piece of information for you if you want to try to save money on scallions in the future. Just put them outside somewhere. Put the bulbs that have the roots on them, after you've cut the fresh scallions off of the root system, put the bulbs in the ground. Put the roots in the ground. And just water it every other day. That's all it needs, is every other day. And you'll be surprised when you have this going on in your yard. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day.